cannot wait for Christmas time. Because what I have some Lennox dishes of my own. And I'm going to display these beautiful dishes with my Lennox pieces. Oh my God. I didn't even know. I saw these in here and I knew they were here. My mom had been trying to get me to get these from her house. When I tell you for when we moved into our new house. Let me see. No, actually when we were on Breezeport. She wanted me to get these way back when. And even when we moved into where we're at now, she was, get those dishes. You need those dishes. Well, Mama, I got these dishes now, baby. I got them now. So I have a whole bunch of dishes in this bag that she has so many plates. So what I'm going to do, I have a Lennox set. So during Christmas time, if God's willing, and I'm still here, I'm going to display my Lennox pieces along with these beautiful pieces here. These are beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I have the cups, I have the saucers, I have everything that goes with it. I may have to have a teapot. Yeah. Oh Lord, let me be careful. Look at this. Beautiful piece. So I think I'm gonna put it in storage in the front of my storage. In the very front of it. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Because I cannot take everything at home. I cannot take everything home. So my mom put up here. I think I showed this already. This is 50 years plus years. I don't know why she put this 2016 here. I'm gonna take this down and I'm gonna add it to my collection. I don't know why she said 2016. I have to really think about that. Why would she put 2016 here? Does she mean she bought it here in 2016? That may be when they sold my grandmother's house in Magnolia. And she bought it from that house. Maybe that's what that means. I never did ask her because I never did see it. So anyway, you know, it's a lot of things. My mom's gone. And it's a lot of things I would have said, Mama, why you did this? Why you have that? Why you said that? I never did say that. I never asked about this. Till now. And she gone. I can say, Mama, why you put 2016 on there? So, oh, and that's not to say these in here and this in here. Lord help me today, and I got to finish these. But anyway, and I am taking this. This is a cookie jar, a very old cookie jar that I'm going to take. But you know, sometimes you have a, what is that? I don't even know. This is an old vase. Oh Lord. So still stuff, I just don't know what all I'm gonna do. I haven't decided. But this is a very old, I looked this up. This thing is very, let me see if it has a name at the bottom. I'm actually gonna put J Import Company, made in China. So yeah, I don't know. I'm going to put it in my laundry room probably with my other old pieces in there. Not in my kitchen, I don't think. But anyway. Okay, this is about the end of the road. Again, I keep saying that. Girl, I'm at the end of getting stuff out of the house. But I noticed these. I keep on saying, oh, these are beautiful. But I've already bagged up most of the dishes that they had that was in gold and white. But I'm like, oh my God, I didn't realize it was so much. But we're at the end of the road here. If you want one of these clocks or crystal pieces of Mom's, any one of these, just let me know. Because you can have a clock, you can have more than one. But she has some crystal pieces here that I'm just going to give to people that she know. I don't need to keep all of them. I just don't, because I have so much stuff already that I'm taking to storage that I'm just can't keep it all. So let me know if you're interested in a clock or crystal, anything of Mom's that you may want to have. You're welcome to it. Okay. And I said Sharon name, but I guess I'm gonna send this video to somebody else too. Other people that may know her as well. But whoever tell me one thing that they want. So this is a piece here. This is one. I'm gonna say that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can just call out the number. And then as far as these clocks, or say an egg or whatever, the clocks with the heart, with the whatever shape it is, square, you can say you would like that clock. So that's how I'm gonna do that. I just don't know what else to do because there's so many of them. I probably will keep 1 or 2 clocks. Now that I'm thinking of it, I should keep at least 1 or 2 of them. But no, I'm gonna let you choose first, and then whatever you don't choose, then I will just keep it. So that one they want to keep.
Okay, cool.
And then they decided the sofa they're gonna keep as well.
Okay, cool. That's pretty much about it. Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, and all this in the kitchen, I'm gonna just wrap it up and put it in my car.
Okay.
Like the dishes and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
I do have another picture upstairs.
Upstairs?
Yeah, I need it.
Oh, I didn't get the roof side up too.
Wrap this up. These are very heavy. Mama, this is the end of the road. This is where we started. Right here at that store. This is where we started. On Belgrade. And I took most of the history part down for Butler's Crossing that you had here with the fountain. I took that down. And I'm going to display it somewhere in my house maybe. That was, what am I stepping on? Lord. Look at that. It's the end of the road. And I'm so sad. But it's time to go. No more. Oh, Lord. No more here at Mom's place. This is a sad day for me. It's bittersweet because we're selling it. But it's really bittersweet. It really is. Lord help. So, it's really bittersweet, y'all. I'm gonna miss you, Mama. I carry you every day in my heart. So no matter where we are, place doesn't matter. But this is the house that me and my brother, we grew up in. My mom purchased this house way back in the 70s. And she was the second black person on this street.
No, you don't have to take the.
Okay, let me go for Sunday.
We're coming back now. Take the rake. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. What about that attic? Up here?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if we're not, they'll let us know. Yeah, we good. Good job. So I'm gonna take this picture. I've got to read through this stuff in my hair right quick and see what all this is. Newspaper article that I have. Oh, yeah, Lord. So, we got to walk through downstairs. One more walk through. I just want to walk through the entire house. I got just my last little walk through. This is the front door, y'all. Last little walk through. Everybody's tired. I know they're tired. Oh, Lord, I got to get this fountain. Okay. Let's walk through. Let's walk through. I had already went upstairs. I'm not going back upstairs. I did videos up there already. Oh, Lord. Okay, Mama.
You know what kind of bank?
Okay, I'm coming. Okay, can I get the garage? Last time. Okay. What time is it? What time is it? Well, okay. Okay, well, look, we get ready to go. Okay, this is the downstairs. I've already did upstairs. They're rushing me out. This is my last time here. And I got to be rushed. Oh, God. Back on. All the way back. Okay, yeah, let's go. That tree over there is going to be beautiful. It was beautiful in the cold being. Okay, let's go. Let's go. It has what? Where? In here?
Yeah. You don't see that?
Oh my God, I never known.
1997.
That's when she purchased it, probably. Mrs. Ruby Santling. Mrs. Ruby Santling, which was her maiden name. Shankle, 1997. I never noticed. It's beautiful, man. It's heavy. You said you figured it out? Oh, you did.
It's weird.
Oh, I see now.
Yeah, but
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. That is really weird. But that's it. No. Huh? Oh. What you mean?
to make it work.
Oh. We can have certain time that it chime. Because I don't want to chime in all day long. I think that's why Mama may have had it off. It's 10 minutes to 5.
You can make it silent.
Oh, okay. So that's what Mom had it on solid, huh? Like, oh, Jay, you got it, baby. Good job.
That's all it is.
You so smart. It is. Look.
That could be 5.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not quite 5.
5.
I would just put 5 minutes till 5. A little fast. No. Why is it doing that now?
Just wondering if there's someone else that might do it.
It's just beautiful.
Did it turn? Get off?
It doesn't turn.
No, I'm talking about the key. No, the wine. To do it right.
So it's working now?
The second hand is really good. Wait a minute, though. The wall's moving.
It is really. I think you gotta really get it going.
Okay, this. I'm gonna see if I can find where we. It's somewhere that you can silence it. Okay, maybe not. We done got it working now. We can't silence it. I'll check with Jalen when he gets back in.